MAPI Grade 6 teacher, Sir Jeff Gary Agustin. Let's give him a big round of applause. Okay, to commence our program, let us all rise to dispose ourselves for the singing of our Philippine National Anthem, followed by our nationalistic song, and then the invocation played through an audio-aided presentation.
Are you ready, children? Okay, ready to perform? Okay. Today is your day, no? Ang preparation, ani, grabe ang pagpanigdamot. No? Okay, good luck tanan. Okay, so, to our most ever cooperative co-grade 6 teachers, distinguished board of judges, supportive parents, enthusiastic performers, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and welcome. So these culminating activities of MAPE, which stands for Music, Arts, Physical Education, and Health, is a subject with a wide range of topics and skills. Today's assessment is a complex task where we have to showcase the competitive performances of our pupils. These tasks involve significant interaction as they aim to show the new skill sets or knowledge after a long period of learning the MAPI units. Significantly, parental involvement improve pupils' academic performance to this effect. Big thank you, dear parents. So as Thomas More said, if a man has a talent and learns somehow to use the whole of it, he has gloriously succeeded and won satisfaction and triumph few men will ever know. So, we hope you will enjoy the rest of the day watching our children's performances. Welcome once again. Blessed good afternoon to all.
Everyone feel at home. And I'm sorry that our school principal cannot be present to deliver this message this afternoon. However, he has entrusted to Ma'am Mariana Harayo to convey his words of inspiration. A big round of applause.
Hello, so good afternoon everyone. So on behalf of our school principal who is not around because he's attending a seminar in Pinyan, I would like to first greet everyone a pleasant afternoon. And of course, most importantly to our very talented students of Polanco Central School, whom I can see that are, I think, very ready to perform in front of everybody. No? So, it is with great pleasure and excitement that I stand before you today to kick off our MAPE Siklaban. This is the annual activity that is this afternoon. It is my distinct privilege to introduce our panel of judges who will evaluate the performances of our talented learners. Each of these individuals are competent and are firmly established on principles of unyielding rectitude, which made them devoted their careers to the pursuit of excellence. First up is a woman of virtue and simplicity who has remarkable achievements and had also participated in different competitions before. Affirmed, competent, a trainer, coach, and a mentor who valued respect and honesty. Ladies and gentlemen, Master Teacher Marilisa E. Malagueño. Next is a woman who lives with pioneering spirit and willingness, has a sharp eye in assessing talented performers, a competent, beautiful woman who has a fixed deep sense of moral obligations. Friends, let us welcome our former grade 6 teacher, Mrs. Mary Elizabeth Baez. A round of applause, please. And finally, our third judge and the chairperson of the Board of Judges, a woman who lives with perseverance and hard work, coupled with an impressive background, and it was not therefore surprising that she had also been a respected judge for many years in various competitions, who brought years of experience and a wealth of knowledge in this school of ours, an expert, and also served as a coach and a mentor to her fellow teachers. Let us welcome our very own retired master teacher, Mrs. Nympha F. Agustin. Let us give them a round of applause.
Thank you, Ma'am V, for introducing the distinguished Board of Judges. Your efforts in acknowledging their presence are greatly appreciated.
Right food, sasabay ka, pag hinahanap mo yung kailan mo sasakay ka, ay balikan, kapag ay natin na, nakakalitin, sa mga kanila,